Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. I got a question on YouTube last night about what is the yellow line and what is the gray line. These are Bollinger Bands, okay? Just standard Bollinger Bands, 20-period Bollinger Bands. The yellow are 2 standard deviations, the gray, 3 standard deviations. So that's no tweaks to them. They're just regular old Bollinger Bands that anybody can get on their system. So we talked last week about support at the 9-day, and if the bears didn't show up with something that created sustainable downside, that there was nothing else to do except start to reach for the upper Bollinger Band, the yellow line there on the daily chart. Well, off we go. I mean, there's not a whole hell of a lot to say. This is going to be one of those rallies that everybody hates and that people fight. And if you're smart, you just kind of stay with the trend and just let the thing bleed to the upside and count your handles as it goes. We didn't do much on Friday. We were long 44.5, then we were long 57, and we did about 15 handles. I mean, it wasn't, it was not very exciting. But right off the jobs report, there was an opportunity there to get a long setup going, and we stayed in that the majority of the day. October was great. Volatility was good. I don't expect that to change. Hourly chart, you can really see it here. I mean, your new weekly pivot is coming in at 30.49.42. You could see it's wanted nothing to do with the weekly pivot last week. But right here, where you made this 30-20 support on Thursday, here, and here, at the 9-day, it's really never looked back. You got the Fed out of the way on Wednesday. You got jobs out of the way here. You confirmed daily pivot, which is that dotted line there, hourly mid-band as support early on with the Fed, and it hasn't looked back. So as we head into today, 30.80 is your all-time high at the moment. I've got a proprietary moving average at 77.5. You got the 5-minute mid-band coming in 78. Volume-weighted average price is way down 73 and change. I would expect some kind of a reset off the open. I mean, we open in a couple of hours, but if they can't convert things like VWAP and turn them into resistance, if they can't convert things like the 5-minute mid-band and turn it into resistance, these simply become opportunities to buy for the next little bleed up. I'm not trying to, there's very little long-term trader future in being the person that picks tops or picks bottoms or whatever. It's not a part of my makeup. It's not a part of what we do. We're dramatically more concerned with where is price headed in any particular moment and just staying on track with that. And if you do that, everything else will take care of itself. Is 30.80 the high? I don't know, and I don't care. Probably not, but we'll see. I know that it has a chance to be the high if the bears can actually convert stuff like VWAP at 73 or hourly midband at 68. If they can't, then it's a buy. Simple as that. All right, everybody have a good one. There'll be more stuff out on social. Check that out. Come check out the room. Doing a lot of good stuff in there. If you trade this stuff, you want to learn how to trade this stuff, got to get in here. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.